Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Qlik Sense data models with export tasks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Qlik Sense application. Navigate to the data load editor from the main hub. Locate the data model you wish to backup. Click on the Export Tasks option from the sidebar. Select Add New Task to create a new export task. Name your export task descriptively. Choose the appropriate data model from the drop-down list. Select the export format based on your needs, such as .qvd or .csv. Configure any additional settings related to the export. Click on the Save button to save your new task. Now, head to the Tasks section in the sidebar. Find the newly created export task in the list. Click on the task to open its details. Review the settings to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on the Run button to execute the export. Monitor the progress of the task to ensure it completes successfully. After it finishes, check the output directory for your exported file. Verify the integrity of the exported data by opening the file. Repeat the process for any other data models you wish to backup. By following these steps, you will effectively create backups of your Qlik Sense data models. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.